Hello and welcome to Little Junction. Happy Monday morning. Some more things have come up this week, which I'm going to be busy, so I don't know if I'll be able to get my Wednesday or Friday's video in, was supposed to be the dismantling of my layout. So I am going to do it for today's video. So I hope you all enjoy and look forward to March 2nd as it will be a new video with me putting my train layout together in my new house. So with that, let's get started. Hello everyone. I was doing the video of taking down my layout and I ran into a snag. I went to go and hit stop, came around to check to see how much I got done because I had to get the other side of it, and found out that it never recorded, which really put me down. I really thought the remote for the cam was actually on, and obviously it wasn't. I apologize for that. I will take pictures of what I've done so far, and I still have more to take down, so the rest of that will be video, and I will make sure that I have that button fixed for the second when I upload the new train layout and rebuilding my city. So with that, here we go. Well, everyone, that is it for the layout. It has been taken down, and I am just now going to have to vacuum it all up. And that is it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I can't wait to see what you guys think of my new layout and design. So that'll be posted, like I said, on March 2nd, which is a Monday. So with that, thank you and have a great February. Well, folks, that'll do it for this episode of Willow Junction. If you liked my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, please share my videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. But until next time, I thank you so much for watching. You guys all have a great day. Bye for now.